Government of India has taken several initiatives in financial inclusion, like banking penetration in rural area, RRB, but an SSG bank linkage program. But we have seen, customer, client, and poor of the people are not getting credit facility from bank, formal bank and RRB, because in this connection, uh, RBI has recommended Malagam Committee, RBI has recommended the microfinance institution in 2011. After getting NBFC MFI license uh, in microfinance sector, and couple of years we have seen um, one commercial bank named Bandhan Bank has get license from microfinance sectors, and number of several MFI has got is a small finance bank license, and they are providing the credit facility to the customers. And I am representing also a microfinance institute, and we are also providing the financial service to our um, women beneficiaries, because they are not socially, they are socially isolated. We have seen, and they are not getting any loan from any formal institution. Only microfinance organization is giving loan to this segment of women beneficiaries. And we have seen the recovery segment in this sector nearly 99%. And at presently, the sector having more than 4 lakhs crores. In a couple of years back, in 2012 and 13, every microfinance institute sanctioned a loan and disbursed to the client for time consuming in 3 to 4 weeks. But using the digitalization, we are disbursing loan to our client within 3 days. But we are facing the major challenges in these sectors for digitalizations. Number one is high transaction cost for digitalizations. Second is low infrastructure, like internet facilities uh, and electric facilities is not available in 24 hours in our areas. Low funding. Actually, commercial banks, we have observed that commercial banks are not interested to provide loan in regular manner in these sectors, and high interest rate. Actually, we are getting loan from uh, not directly all time from commercial bank, because they are giving loan to the um, uh, um, big NBFC like Bajaj, like Siram, and we are having loan from these NBFCs, and naturally our interest cost will be high, and we are not giving low interest interest rate loan to our beneficiaries. And some challenges, overcome to these challenges, uh, my suggestion to this government to use the digitalization platform in free of cost. Second one is um, P2P lending through fintech methodology that will be helpful for getting lower cost, low interest cost loan to the beneficiaries. Thank you.
Thank you, SS Group, for giving me the opportunity.